Hey everybody, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to add layers here in Adobe Express. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time in Adobe Express, I want you to click the sign up option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. In Adobe Express, layers are managed intuitively to help you organize and edit your design. While there isn't a visible layers panel like you are familiar with in Photoshop, you can still work with layers effectively using the interface. Okay, so once you are logged into your account, I want you to hover to the project or design that you're working. If you haven't already, just click on the template section on the left side or browse from all these amazing templates that you can start your design with. But if you want to start from scratch, just click the start your content here. You can upload and edit your own images, videos, PDFs, and more. In my case, I'm going to be starting with this. All right, so basically here, layers are determined per element. Now, this is going to be my base element, all right, or the first layer, if you see it that way. I want you to click on the element section on the left side panel. You can choose all these. For example, if you wanted to add a shape, can do that. For example, like an app. Let's cancel that. Let's say for example a balloon speech right here. All right, so I'm gonna choose it. All right, so for example, he's speaking about it. I'm going to add a text. Okay, and the text, I'm going to click on add text. Say we're using this one right here. But of course, I'm going to resize this. Maybe something like, no, I'm talking about the font right here. Going to choose a different, maybe different font. How about this one right here? Okay, so that, going to resize this. Put it into place, and that's that. All right. If you wanted to go for the charts and grids, you can also do that. Maybe something like this. Right. Now, you see, each element is actually one layer. For example, this one, this is going to be the first layer. You have the option to overlay it. Say, for example, send it to backward. Right. So that's going to be like a background for this. And the others can be put into forward. Click that. You will notice that they have the option to send it backward, send to back, and your link options. Now, another option is you might want to make sure to lock it in place. If you click on lock right here, that you can do so. Unlock it, and this, for example, you can put a comment on it. For example, this is going to be say layer 1 or layer 2. So you have all of these options. All right, so if you're working with the multiple collaborators, they would know, all right, this is going to be layer 2, right? And this is going to be 1. Maybe layer 3. It's easier if you're working with a lot of collaborators or team members inside the project. Once you've done that, you might want to click on the download button on the upper right corner. Once you're happy, you can choose from any of these formats: PNG, JPEG, PDF, and if you want to share this, you're also welcome to do that by sharing this design to your boss or to your team members. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next video.